Walker Field, Columbus, Ohio, for the gathering of the Mustang legends. There we have the Mustangs. Lots of people. Mustangs everywhere. 51 of them. Good night.